This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Town Realty property video is presented by Alan Simmas. Admirals Landing Condominium, Olde Towne Portsmouth. This updated 2-bedroom, 2-half-bath, 2-level condo features an open floor plan with the main living area on the 5th floor and bedrooms on the 4th floor. Kitchen has granite countertops, custom cabinets, and stainless steel appliances. This unit has lots of windows allowing for plenty of sunlight. Enjoy sweeping views of the Elizabeth River and downtown Norfolk from the 2 balconies located off the living room and the primary suite. Amenities include a secure parking garage, outside pool, hot tub, gym, billiards room, library, captain's quarters conference room, and an outside game court with shuffleboard and pickleball court. Located within close proximity of Olde Towne restaurants, Seawall Boardwalk, and 2 ferry stops. Ferry goes to Norfolk's Waterside, where you can enjoy downtown Norfolk festivals, events, restaurants, shops, and Tide Stadium. Close to the Norfolk Naval Hospital, Norfolk Naval Shipyard, and the Coast Guard base. For more information, review the details below.